In this video, I'm going to show you how to knit a bubble stitch. The bubble stitch is a very interesting technique. As you can see, it creates all these little bubbles, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, I knit 5 rows. I've done one already, so you can see where that's at. And then it consists of, this particular one at least, consists of 3 knits, and then you'll do your bubble stitch. So I've knit the 3, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this stitch without knitting, and I'm going to drop it 4 rows down. So I'm going to drop it 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have the 4 rows that I just dropped it off. Then I'm going to put my needle in and pick that up, but I'm going to go underneath all 4 of those rows. 1, 2, 3, and then that's the 4th one, and then that's the stitch underneath there. So I'm going to just knit through that stitch. You'll know if you got it when you pull that through, but then you'll pull it through. See how it came through there? And then I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th stitch, I'm going to drop it down 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't let it get away from you, and just put your needle through. And you've got them all there, and then just reach in with the other needle. It might be a little difficult at first, but just reach in, you should get a hold of it. And then knit through that. So that worked there. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. And then the 4th stitch, I will drop it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It takes a little bit, but after doing so many, you'll be able to just go through it super quick. Then you just pick it up. And it looks like it might be messed up, but once you get knitting around it on each side and above it, it will all even out. And so how this is done is the next row, you'll drop this middle stitch in between the lower bubble, and then that gives it the staggered look that you see. And that's how you do the bubble stitch. I'll do it one more time. I've got 3, drop 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick that up. Make sure you have all the stitches over, and knit through that stitch. So all those 4 stitches go behind. So it'll look like that. But the back still looks nice. It doesn't look like it's got a bunch of drop stitches. So somehow it just ends up looking super nice. And that's how you do the bubble stitch. Once I'm done with this particular pattern, I will link it below. And anything else I've used in the video will be linked below. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.